Hello, I'm Dr. Walter Bortz. I'm an MD. I'm a professor of medicine at Stanford. I'm also married 60 years. I've got 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. We planned it that way. I have 9 grandkids, proud of all of them. But I'm here to talk to you about getting older, because I'm getting older and you are too. Along the way, I've been president of the American Geriatric Society. I've written lots of articles about getting older, and I've been a student of it, and now I'm a participant in it, and you are too. So I'm 82, I'm going to be 83 pretty soon. I gave a talk last week and said, how did I get this old this fast? Somebody said it's like a roll of toilet paper. The closer to the end it gets, the faster it goes. So it does seem to go faster, but what's it going to be like tomorrow? Is tomorrow going to be better than today, and the day after that, and today? So you're getting older along with me. We're all getting older. But how do we get older better? And that's why we have so many things like SpiroFit out there that have programs that you can hook into. You don't need to invent it on your own. You've got lots of stuff out there, and we're all here to help you make it happen.